Hi and welcome in our new Comstore CNI session where we discuss all things about Cisco networking, and today we're going to discuss a new full stack solution from Meraki, which is Meraki Go. And this morning we received this box from our Meraki friends, and this should include the new full stack solution from Meraki Go, which is a perfect fit for small business. And I know I was not the only one excited about this solution, so I'm going to invite my technical market engineer for Comstore, which is Thomas Swinnen. Hey Nico. Thomas! Hey. Finally, I know you were also excited about receiving this box. So this morning, we got this box from Meraki, which should include the new full stack solution from Meraki Go. So let's see what's in the box, Thomas.
I'm curious. You say full stack, so this means that Meraki Go is no longer just selling access points anymore?
No, it also includes normally, besides the access points, switches and security devices.
Fantastic.
So let's see.
So a full network with Meraki Go only.
Yes, and it's supposed to be managed by an app on your smartphone, so anything from the palm of your hand. So let's see.
I want to test that out. I have a phone right here, so while we are talking about these devices, I'm going to install the app that you're referring to.
Yes.
Great.
So let's see.
What else do we have?
Let's have a look. This is the security device, VR, and this final box. Yep, it must be the access point.
Get rid of this. So let's take a look at the switch first.
Actually cool. One full stack solution fits in this box.
It's really unboxing in one box. So we have, it looks really nice.
A switch.
Slim design.
Yes, 8-port switch. Fanless, so actually perfect to put on your desk.
Great. I'm a technical person, so I cannot wait to plug these things in. So I really want to see all these things working. There we go.
It almost feels like lighting a Christmas tree, Thomas.
It's a very good time to say this, Nico. So it is not just an 8-port switch, we also have SFP uplinks. So this also supports fiber connections on 1 gig.
Okay, so the next box. Let's have a look in here. Oh, cool design. I see it already. Looks a bit like Apple. And here we have...
Good, I will create my profile while you're talking.
For sure. The security gateway. So this is actually a bit similar like the Meraki full stack solution, where you have DMX as a security gateway. Now it's called the GX, which is the smaller version of the Meraki security gateway. And
so this is a firewall, I believe. So it comes without licenses?
It comes without licenses, but what I've read so far is that there is one optional license that you can add, which is an advanced security license, which has umbrella features in the license, so you can protect users from things outside of the network.
Yeah, which makes sense because Umbrella is a cloud service, so it's an offering especially for you with always up-to-date signatures, so you will always be secure at whatever point in time.
Indeed.
Okay, great.
The honor for you.
Thank you, Nico.
And then finally, yeah, they're lighting up already. Finally, fantastic. And this must be then the access point. And yes, this is the access point they're referring to. And let's have a look what the name is of the access point. The GR10.
That's kind of the same like Meraki Enterprise.
Yes, indeed. Where you have the MR access points within Meraki, you now have the GR, which are the, let's say, the small business access points within the Meraki Go full stack solution.
Yeah, the Go radios. Go radio. Good. Okay, let me, Nico, let me further install these, the application itself, and then let's check out the configuration.
Okay, Thomas, but before we do so, I suggest I get some coffee for us, and then we get this going.
Good, cappuccino with me, for me, please.
Top.
While Nico is getting our coffee, let's take a look at these devices. You can already notice that it's very silent. So this is perfectly suitable for smaller rooms, smaller companies with maybe just one room. This makes it also easy to have this access point convertible. Either you have this with the included bracket, you can mount against the ceiling, otherwise you just remove it and you can place this one on the desk or anywhere you want to have it. And let's start connecting our network now. We have an internet connection that goes into our security gateway, so our firewall, into the internet one. Then when it's connected, it will probably start to register to our cloud, which I still have to configure. So we have, okay, it's installed now. So let's start adding these devices into my new network. Let's start with the security appliance. So on the back of the security appliance, you see a QR code. So this one can be used to register your devices. And after registering, give it a suitable name. There we go. The same goes with the switches. It's also on this side. And there we go. And give it a name as well. There we go. And then the access point. For that one you have to remove the brackets, otherwise you will not be able to see the QR code. And then you can scan it as well and place it in the same network. There we go. Give it again a name. So good. Now we have these devices added in a network. The next step what we need to do is give our network a name. This name will be automatically also our network or wireless network or our SID. After giving it a name, we also have to give it a password if you like to. I think it's recommended, otherwise everyone can just access your network, which is not the safest. And there we go. Now, this is actually just it. So I just configured the network in under 1 minute. So let's connect the rest of the ports right there. The nice thing about the security appliance, the GX, is that you have one port in the back which also provides PoE. Then you can also, which is powered over Ethernet. This means you can power an access point straight from this device. So you only need one power plug. But we will be using a switch in between. So this switch is in our case also foreseen with PoE. So we can connect this to our access point. And there we go. And our network is now ready. Nico is still not back, so it's apparently faster than getting coffee. So while we're waiting, let's create a guest network for him to connect to. So I create a new network here, and then I will call this Go Guest. With this one, I will not give it any passwords. I will just go to the settings, and I create a landing page. A click-through landing page. Obviously, I would like to have a nice looking logo on my login splash page, and that's in. There I have one. Good. Let's have a welcome message. Welcome. Apply. And redirect website. So this is where I want my customers to go to after they logged in onto my guest network. And save. So, now I'm ready for guests, so let's wait for the coffee.
Thomas, I'm back. Here's your coffee,
Awesome.
Cappuccino. So,
Fantastic, thank you.
okay, I'm ready to start. So let's kick off.
I just finished.
Okay, what do you mean? You just finished?
Well, I'm very curious when I see new products like these. And we installed the app, right, before you left. And I just went through the wizard. It's really easy.
Okay, so hold on. I just went to get some coffee for us. I was about away, what is it? Like approximately 5 minutes?
Few minutes.
And you've set up an entire network? Is that what you're saying?
It's, yes. And it's really self-explanatory. You just go to the wizard. What I did is just scanning these devices. They have QR codes. It's really simple. Then you just give it a name and a password. That becomes automatically your Wi-Fi. And you know what? I had a little bit more time, so I also created for you, especially for you, a guest Wi-Fi.
That's cool. And everything done via the app?
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow. I'm amazed. So this is actually a perfect solution for small offices, like law offices or medical offices where you actually have people, sitting in the waiting room.
Exactly, because they want to spend, let's say, kill some time, and then you have Wi-Fi provided to them.
Okay, and also for perfect solution for retail, you know, where you have hair salons, small shops, etc. Because I know these people are self-employed, you know, they build up their own business and they probably also want to manage their own network without really investing in IT stuff.
Exactly, and for them, the self-explanatory part is really a big win. Because it's really easy to see who is on your network, what they're doing, and you can provide access if you want it or not.
No, that's actually cool. And the last bit is I can see that this is also a perfect solution, you know, in the hospitality, you know, where you have bars, you have bed and breakfast, small hotels, etc. Because obviously they also want to provide a guest network, but they also want to see and control, you know, who's on the network, I can imagine.
And that's a really nice thing that I can add to this. So what Meraki Go provides you out of the box, without any additional licensing whatsoever, you have guest insights. So devices like this, we all have them, right? So in our pockets, and we go to bars, we go to lunch areas, and they can actually see how many people have been there before. Like a counter, they're like counting people. How many people were there this day, how many people were there last week? But instead of counting people, it also recognizes the unique dongle, the unique MAC address that is provided from these devices up to the access point. So we can also count how many times these people are coming back and also how long they stay.
That's really neat.
That's guest insights for you.
That's really cool. So we set up this network, or you set up this network in like less than 5 minutes, which is still amazing for me, to be fairly honest.
Exactly.
So, cool.
That's literally buy it, tweak it,
control it, you know, and actually from the palm of your hand.
Exactly.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, thanks, Thomas. You know, everyone, I hope this was a very good session, that you learned a lot about the Meraki Go full stack solution. So if you want to have more information, please contact your local Comstore account manager or visit our website.